So we're going to trap. Now when you trap, there's no point in trapping at the hand, because the risk it'll slip out and you'll lose it. So you want to trap kind of just above what's below, so the elbow on this forearm here. You're going to push that across the body, go to punch with the other hand. That's sort of stage one of this. So as he punches, we move in, move forward, punch there, and then we're going to hook up. What did you just what did you,
We felt this was better, felt more.
So you move in that, punch in here,
Yeah, and punch in there.
punch in there, and then come in another hook,
Or
or
hook straight through there.
so trap, cross, hook, hook. Yeah, okay, let's do that again. Trap, cross, hook, hook. Once again. Trap, cross, hook, hook. Once more. Trap, cross, same pad, hook, other pad.